Hi everyone, this is Sakshi, and after a long time I'm again back to my project challenge as my exams were going on, so that's why I stopped that challenge for some time, but now we will continue the series. So for today I'm very excited to showcase my full stack project, which is job portal, and I built it using Python Flask, SQLAlchemy and a modern Bootstrap UI. And for the backend, I have built everything using Python Flask, where each feature is handled through routes like register, login, dashboard, post job, apply, etc. I created database models using SQLAlchemy, including user, job, application, and I use these models to perform CRUD operations such as creating new user, posting job, applying for the job, and updating application databases. For authentication, I integrated Flask Login, which manages user session, and it uses login user, logout user, and login required and current user, which helps me to identify who is logged in and what role they have. Based on the user's role, the dashboard automatically loads either the recruiter dashboard or job seeker dashboard. And the role-based checks ensure recruiters can post jobs while job seekers can apply and track their applications. So let's move forward and let's see the projects working. When you visit this website, you can see there are two options, login and register. If you are a new user, then you have to register first basically with the two roles, as a job seeker or as a recruiter according to your need. Then after, you have to log in. First, I will log in as a recruiter. Let me show you by doing registration also. Okay, when you will register, there you can see you have to enter your full name first. For example, I am entering my name. Then you have to select the role as a job seeker or recruiter. I am selecting job seeker for now. Then you have to enter email ID, any mock data I am entering just now. Then after, you have to create a password and create account. Your account is created. Now you have to log in. You have to remember the ID which you have registered as a recruiter or as a job seeker. I am first doing login with the recruiter ID. I have previously done this, so I am showing the recruiter. I will log in as a recruiter first. Okay. So this is the ID. Let me show you. See, this is my recruiter dashboard. From here, you can post job, view applicants, and view jobs. And you can also post the new job like available vacancy, etc. When I will click on post job, you can see the option is showing me job title, means which type of role you are hiring. For example, I am writing Python developer. And company name, like we can enter, for example, Google. Location, Bangalore. Salary, it is optional. And job description, for example, we are type anything. Then after post job, you can see now in the available job section there is one more option from Google, which is Python developer. I already tried once, so it is the previous one I have tried, and now the new one is this. When you will click on view details, see, apply now option is there. From here you can apply, but now what the pop-up message shows, only job seekers can apply, means you are a recruiter, you cannot apply for a job. Now job seekers can apply and recruiter can see the status, like they can accept, they can decline, or whatever the status they will show. Now let's go to the dashboard and you can see view applicant option. When I will click there, see, one option is there, accept, reject, or pending. When I will accept this, see, status is showing accepted. Now let's move back to the dashboard, and view jobs option is also there. So basically they are showing two options, one from IBM and one from Google. This is a mock data. When I will back to the landing page and I will log out from here. Now I will log in as a job seeker. I'm logging in. Now see, I'm logging as a job seeker. Login successful is showing, and when I will browse jobs, there are two options for me. One from IBM, one from Google. For example, I'm clicking on the view details of Google. I have seen the description and all the details. Now I will apply now. Applied successfully. Now when I will click on my application, see, when I have previously tried this is showing accepted. Why? Because recruiter has accepted this application, and the second one is showing pending. So basically this project covers the complete full stack workflow: Flask routing, Flask template, SQLAlchemy and database models, login system with sessions, role-based dashboards, job posting plus applying plus tracking. If you like this project, feel free to connect with me and share your feedback. Thank you for watching.